Morning, guys. Thought I'd do a little video before I get out my bed and get into the bath and then have a cold shower. So, just on the daily chart quickly, if we're talking bearish scenarios, it's still the same as before. This is a B at the top here, and then we're heading down in C. But that's my least likely scenario at the moment. Reason being, when we zoom into a 4-hour chart, we have a nice leading diagonal up off the bottom here, which I've got in the red count there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, when you get a leading diagonal, you normally get a sharp retrace, and that's exactly what happened, as mentioned in the video the other day. So as you can see here, look at that massive wick that's just underneath that 5, all the way down there. Now, when you're looking for a retrace, you've got to either hit the 3.82, which is that orange line, the 0.5, which is that orange line, or the 0.618, which is that orange line. Now, it has actually hit the 0.382 on the sharp retrace. So technically, it's had enough of a pullback to carry on up. So, need to be careful here, because when you zoom in again over here to this move after it dropped, you actually can make out another little 5-wave leading diagonal for wave 1. Leading diagonals can only be in wave 1s or wave A's, and this would be wave 1 of 3, so it's still a wave 1. So technically this could be the start of the next move up, and if it is, then I would expect it to come back and hit one of these two orange lines here, the higher up one. So that would be the 382 of this smaller leading diagonal up, and this is the 0.5 retracement of the smaller leading diagonal up. So basically, if it gets to around about these orange lines here, rejects, heads back up and breaks this high here, that's a very good indication we're going up into wave 3, which means it's going to go nuts. And especially when it breaks this high here, that even confirms it more. But if we break this high here, after rejecting here, I'm going to be adding lots of positions, or maybe a few, and then waiting for confirmation of that one breaking, then I'll add more. So that's the most bullish scenario right now. The second bullish scenario, but slightly less bullish, is that this is an ABC up. So it's hard to actually make that out now. But basically, hold on, I'll get it on the screen. Oh no, don't need to get on the screen. So this count here, so that would be A, B, and then a C would come down into the yellow box. And then we would expect a move up. And once again, breaking this high does exactly the same as before. Gives us confirmation of being in wave 3. So right now, it's just basically a case of waiting for the pullback to see if it touches the first 2 yellow lines I've got here and rejects. If it goes through them in a 5-wave move down to here, then again, we'll be looking for the rejection round about here. There is a chance it could push down here, but I think the chances are it's going to stop there. But it could actually go all the way down to here, actually. But I think the chances are it's going to stop around this one here. So yeah, that's all for today for the Bitcoin analysis this morning. I might do an update later if I get a chance. Have a good day trading, guys.